Here's a letter, sealed and unopened for you. All the words that I can't seem to get out in person. I'm bad with that, but you know this all too well. There's a moment set aside for you, but I'll probably neglect to reach out to you again. It's harder now, and you're all I've got. Whoa, caught in my own scheme. Whoa, stuck in a bad dream, where I keep calling you, but there's no answer. Just a multitude of questions left to chance, and I don't know why you keep saying things will be